Did you know there's a hurricane on Saturn? Rest now. Rest now. Billie has a bedtime story just for you. It's time to rest your atoms. It's been a big day and rest time is overdue. Our hero is Billie Adams and he lives in outer space. Let's hear about his travels through the galaxies promoting kindness and grace. Rest now, and join Billie Adams on his mission to discover all the kindness and wonder in our universe we will uncover. It is through your atoms that are shared by all the universe that we will find a connection between everything on Earth. He will take us on adventures and explore sights unseen. So let's listen to Billie Adams and inspire our atoms to dream. So rest now, get comfortable, breathe in and breathe out. We will hear about Billie's adventures and find wonder, no doubt. Let's fly with Billie Adams to explore the stars. Soaring high above, let's remind ourselves who we are. Let's share kindness with everyone that we meet, because when we show kindness, the world is really neat. So settle down now and get comfortable. Find a soft pillow and rest your head. Close your eyes and dream of adventures to come. Your atoms need rest, and tomorrow there's more fun. Billie Adams was exploring the planet Saturn, and he couldn't believe his eyes. He felt so small as he looked up at this giant, beautiful planet. It was nothing like Earth. The rings of Saturn were stunning. They looked almost like a bright halo around the entire planet. Billie couldn't help but feel awestruck as he floated around in the stars, looking at this giant planet from afar. He thought of how amazing it would be to fly among the rings. Billie floated closer to get a better look. Suddenly, he could see our own little blue planet from afar. It appeared as merely a tiny dot in the vastness of space. He marvelled at how much bigger and brighter Saturn was. He wanted to learn more about this magnificent planet, starting with its rings. Billie learned that the rings were made up of billions of pieces of ice and rock. Some were tiny, while others were as big as a car. He also discovered that the rings had been around for hundreds of millions of years, much longer than our own planet has existed. The rings were made up of 7 layers, and the outermost layer was made up of icy particles. They reflected light from our sun and glowed with a magnificent array of colours. They were formed when part of Saturn's moon broke apart, caused by strong gravitational tug-of-war between the moon and Saturn's powerful gravity. This occurred billions of years ago. Billie's mind was quite blown by the facts and figures he had gathered about Saturn, its rings, and what it looked like. The surface of Saturn is made up of clouds and storms, much like Earth's own atmosphere. But the storms that occur on Saturn are much more intense than anything seen on our planet. One of the storms is visible from Earth with the naked eye. It's called the Great White Spot, and it appears for about 5 weeks every 30 years. It is the largest and most powerful hurricane in our solar system. This hurricane is about 2,000 kilometres wide, and its winds can reach speeds of up to 500 kilometres per hour. Saturn has at least 62 moons. It's quite a large family. The size of Saturn compared to Earth is quite impressive. Its diameter is 9.5 times larger than our own planet. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system, and it's made up mostly of hydrogen and helium gas. Fascinating stuff. As Billie explored Saturn, he shared all sorts of scientific facts with his friends back home on Earth. Billie had gathered so much knowledge in his exploration of Saturn, and he was feeling a bit tired. He decided to take some time to relax and do some star breathing. As Billie closed his eyes, he took deep breaths, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. He began to feel the exhaustion wash away from him. As Billie drifted off into an interstellar sleep, dreamed of soaring above Saturn's rings with his jetpack and exploring the secrets of deep space. Do you want to do some star breathing with Billie? Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Now let yourself drift away into a peaceful sleep as you imagine yourself under the night sky full of stars. Let yourself be mesmerized by their beauty and focus on one star in particular. Take your time to observe it closely, focusing on its shape and its colour. See how many points it has? Imagine tracing the point of each star with your finger as if they were part of a map. Now switch hands and trace them again, counting each point until you reach the end. Keep breathing deeply. Notice how relaxed it makes you feel. Continue to observe the star until you feel completely relaxed and at peace. Let the points of the star guide you into a deep sleep. Let go of any tension in your body and enjoy this peaceful moment under the night sky. Rest now. It's been a big day and your atoms need rest so you can enjoy everything you love to do. Good night.